Hello and welcome. In today's video I will show you how to use live view navigation on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps and put the location where you want to go. For example, I will choose this destination. Of course, this option is only working if the destination is not so far from you. So for example, this option will not work if you are first of all on driving mode, and also if you are traveling from a city to another city. So also this option will not work. So it will work with destination like, I don't know, maybe 5-10 kilometers from you. So after that, you have to click on direction, choose walking. This option will work only if you are walking. And as you can see in the bottom right of the screen, there is this option, live view. You have to click on it. And after that, your camera will open. And what you should do now is, like, you should point your camera to the buildings or places near to you, and Google Maps will guide you how you can arrive to your destination step by step. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. If you have any recommendation or any question, please put it in the comment section, and see you in the next video.